Embedded in the core of masculinity resides a guardian of men's health, subtle yet profoundly significant. Hidden beneath the bladder, it surrounds the urethra like a snug ring, maintaining the flow of urine and playing a crucial role in the production of seminal fluid. Today, we are getting closer to the epicenter of male health, the prostate, to unlock the secrets of a healthier prostate by identifying the foods you should avoid. Number 1. Prostate signs of distress. Ever feel like you're rushing to the bathroom way too often? Or perhaps, despite the urgency, it's a challenge to even start? Don't ignore these signals. Your prostate might be waving a red flag. But wait, the trail doesn't end there. Are you finding your nightly sleep disrupted by multiple trips to the loo? Or perhaps you've noticed a weaker flow and dribbling towards the end? This isn't just a casual inconvenience. It could be your prostate calling out for attention, asking you to tune in to the subtle cues. Let's get into details. Experiencing discomfort or pain during those bathroom trips, or even during ejaculation? It might be even more than just a fleeting issue. It could be a vivid sign of a prostate in distress, urging you to seek the advice and action necessary for relief. It's not just about the physical. The prostate state can echo in your overall well-being and mood. Feeling a pervasive sense of fatigue or finding yourself besieged by bouts of anxiety or depression? Your prostate could be playing a role in this emotional turbulence, asserting its influence in ways you might not have envisioned. And here's a rather intimate note. Encountering issues with erectile function or a diminished sexual drive, it might seem private or challenging to discuss, but these symptoms can be critical indicators of your prostate's health story, urging a closer look and thoughtful consideration. Number 2. Foods harmful for the prostate. Refined sugar. Let's unwrap the link between refined sugar and prostate health. Picture this, a sneaky ingredient lurking in the corners of our diets, sweetening our days but silently weaving a web of health complexities. Yes, it's refined sugar. Its subtle omnipresence in our diets often overshadows the hidden risks it carries, particularly concerning our prostate health. Consuming refined sugar is like fueling a fire of inflammation. This invisible blaze within our bodies creates a background, making the prostate vulnerable to disorders and diseases. The sweetness also tips the scales, encouraging weight gain and obesity, both sinister allies of advanced prostate complications. But wait, there's more. This sweet invader also plots against our cellular guardians, promoting insulin resistance. By disturbing the harmony of our hormones and fostering imbalance, it subtly sets the stage conducive to prostate adversities. And here's a twist. Our journey through the sweet maze also uncovers its cunning move against our gut's peaceful kingdom, the microbiome, leaving our immune defenses in a state of turmoil and unease, rendering our body's fortress less capable of warding off the invading diseases. Fruits, vegetables, and whole foods allows us to safeguard the prostate's health. Cow milk. How does cow's milk affect prostate health? It's a common item in our diets, but what secret does it hold regarding our well-being? First up, lactose. This sugar might be the culprit if you've ever felt bloated or gassy after a dairy treat. Why? Some of us don't have the right enzyme to break it down, leading to digestive woes. Let's talk hormones and growth factors. Cow's milk is packed with substances like insulin-like growth factor 1, or IGF-1. Which might play a role in the development of prostate cancer. Intriguing, right? The insulin-like growth factor 1, or IGF-1, appears to be associated with several types of cancer, according to a new study published in Cancer Research from Oxford Population Health. This could eventually lead to broad-acting preventative interventions. Let's also shed light on saturated fats. Especially in full-fat varieties of cow's milk, these fats could be lurking and they have been linked to higher risks of prostate cancer. Then there are proteins like casein and whey might elevate cancer-promoting hormones. And there's a particular troublemaker, the A1 type of beta-casein. When we digest it, it can release peptides that aren't so friendly, sparking inflammation. It sounds like a lot, right? But don't worry, if cow's milk isn't sitting well with you, there's good news. Goat and buffalo milk make awesome stand-ins. Kefir, a type of fermented milk, is also a better option, so you don't have to miss out on that creamy goodness. Processed oils. Let's uncover the hidden impacts of processed oils on prostate health. You might be surprised to learn that those commonly used vegetable oils, like soybean, canola, and corn oil, carry certain risks. Rich in omega-6 fatty acids that disrupt the omega-3 and omega-6 balance, leading to inflammation, a silent contributor to chronic diseases, including those affecting the prostate, like prostatitis and prostate cancer. But that's not all. They're also prone to oxidation, a process that unleashes free radicals, notorious for causing cellular havoc and escalating the risks of prostate ailments. These oils, often manipulated and refined, might harbor residues of questionable chemicals, messing with the hormone levels, adding another layer of concern for prostate's well-being. Moreover, their caloric generosity could be the pathway to weight gain, an unsuspecting adversary in the battle for prostate health. So, what could be a safer bet? Oils rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, like flax seeds or olive oil, emerge as champions in this arena, heralding benefits that echo in the realms of hormonal balance and overall prostate vitality. Remember, a thoughtful choice in oils could be a cornerstone in nurturing a healthy prostate. Alternatives like flaxseed oil, rich in omega-3, or the antioxidant guarded olive oil might be the knights in shining armor, fostering a prostate protective environment and keeping the adversary forces at bay. Soy. Soy, a common ingredient, carries a nuanced relationship with prostate health, packed with phytoestrogens, specifically isoflavones. Let's break it down. Soy and its derivatives contains isoflavones, which are a type of phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogens are plant compounds that can mimic the hormone estrogen in the human body. Now, why should you care? Well, there's a concern that when consumed in significant amounts, influence hormonal activity in the body, binding to estrogen receptors and altering hormonal balances that play a role in prostate health. The theory is that isoflavones can either increase the production of sex hormone-binding globulin, or SHBG, in the liver, which binds to testosterone and makes it biologically inactive, or interfere directly with testosterone production by affecting enzymes involved in its synthesis. There's more to it. The estrogen-like activity of isoflavones might compete with testosterone for receptor sites, leading to diminishing testosterone's effects. Research on the effects of soybean isoflavones on prostate health has yielded mixed results. Some studies have suggested benefits such as reduced BPH growth and decreased cancerous cell proliferation in the prostate. Others have indicated a possible alleviation of lower urinary tract symptoms due to BPH. In light of this uncertainty, a cautious approach may be to avoid soy consumption until more conclusive evidence is available to guide dietary recommendations regarding soy and prostate health. Xenoestrogen. Now we are unraveling the complexities of xenoestrogens and their impact on prostate health. Xenoestrogens are chemical compounds found in various everyday items, such as plastics and cosmetics. They can mimic the hormone estrogen in our bodies. This hormonal disruption can influence various body functions, including those related to the prostate. Research suggests that xenoestrogens may play a role in increasing the risk of prostate cancer by creating an environment conducive to the growth and spread of cancer cells due to their estrogen-like activity. Additionally, exposure to these compounds during critical developmental periods, such as puberty, may influence a prostate's vulnerability to health issues later in life. Understanding and mitigating exposure to xenoestrogens through informed choices like selecting organic products is a crucial aspect of proactive health management. Alcohol. Alcohol, while a common part of social interactions, carries with it certain implications that could potentially ruffle the well-being of your prostate. Consuming alcohol, especially in higher quantities, can usher in a series of physiological responses that may not be too friendly towards your prostate. One of the forewarnings is its ability to interfere with the body's hormonal balance. Alcohol can subtly meddle with your hormones, orchestrating a scenario that might be less than ideal for maintaining a healthy prostate. On top of that, alcohol's infamous reputation for dehydrating the body holds another clue. Dehydration can concentrate the urine, which might irritate the prostate, causing discomfort and other urinary symptoms. That's not all. Alcohol might play the dubious role of a supporting actor in weight gain. Excess weight, especially around the waist, has been cast in the spotlight for being an unfavorable factor that could encircle the prostate with potential health concerns. Navigating through the realms of alcohol consumption requires a balanced script. Moderate consumption, or even considering sidestepping alcohol, might be a strategy worth contemplating in the pursuit of safeguarding your prostate health. Always remember that maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle is your key to a body that functions smoothly and efficiently, supporting your overall health and well-being. And there we have it, the harmful effects on prostate health of refined sugar, processed oils, soy, and alcohol. It's crucial to navigate this path with awareness and balance, ensuring that our choices reflect our health priorities. Hit that next video for more in-depth conversations unraveling the various facets of health.